this segment of this video, we will see how you can share your OneNote. Because in organization, it's not only important to note the information, it's also important to share with the right person. And when you are creating in your mobile or you are writing in a notebook, it's not easy to share with someone to whom you want. And in OneNote, it's quite good that you can share only one file or one page with some person. So that is what we'll see how you can do in OneNote. In every Microsoft applications, it's quite similar. For example, if you go in OneNote, at the end you can see share option, and that is what you can see in every Microsoft application, because Microsoft applications are designed in such way that you can share with within your organization or outside your organization. So you will click on share, and there you can see share in entire notebook. It means that the complete notebook you created, you can share with someone else. You can copy or you can manage access. You want that someone will have the edit right, someone will have just view right. That is what you can do using manage access. If you want to share entire notebook, you click on share, and then you can see you can type the name with a person. For example, if I want to share with Anu, I can share with Anu. Even though I can share with someone like Saurabh or anyone outside my organization, I can easily share with them as well just by typing their name. For example, Sandeep, STER, gmail.com. So you can see it's getting found. So I can add here. So this is how you can add the members from your organization, or you can just add a particular department. For example, I want to share with STW365 HR department. So I can type and you can see it's here. So that's the very good feature, because most of the cases when you are using Microsoft, you are using any node, you can't get that kind of feature where you can share with your department, where you can share with your organization, where you can share with your project team members. But in case of OneNote, you can easily create and share with a particular group, share with a individual user, or share with a freelancer. Apart from that, you can see here we have the manage access, and there you can see multiple groups. You can see the people and link. So whatever you shared before, you can see here, because sometimes what we do, we share with someone and we forget, and after that we are not able to remember that with whom I already shared this document. So best part is you will go here, click on manage access, and you can see. So after that, you can either remove that access, or you can whatever changes you want, you can do after that. So that's the thing you can do from here. Apart from that, you can create a link of this particular form. It means that you are not sharing this document, you are sharing a copy of this document. Whatever changes you will make after this will not be reflect in that particular copy. So these are the features available in Microsoft OneNote. I think that will be very helpful if you are creating notes using Microsoft Note within your organization and sharing with your team members, sharing with your managers, or sharing with your clients.